In this video, I will be outlining how to set up your swivel stand for the Dejavoo Z8 credit card terminal. Offering sturdy construction to protect your terminal, as well as the ability to rotate 180 degrees, this is the perfect way to give your POS area an upgrade and make payments easier for you and your customers. To be able to properly take advantage of the swivel stand's features, you will need to drill a 1 1/4 inch hole in your POS counter to feed the cables through. I'll start by covering what's included in your order. There's the base of the stand pole, the cradle, and the hardware. The first step in building the stand is taking the cradle and flipping it over. Then, take the pole and line the top 2 holes up with those on the cradle. Take the 2 small screws and screw them in using a flathead screwdriver. The next step is deciding which height you would like your swivel stand to sit at. As you can see, there are 2 cutouts in the back of the base. Slide the pole section onto the base and line the included screw up with the cutout. Secure the stand by fully twisting the screw into place. In order to make the stand rotate, you must lift up slightly before rotating. Once you have finished building your stand, the cables will need to be fed through it. Feed the cables up through the hole you have drilled in your POS counter, through the base of the stand, and out the back as pictured here. Then, feed the internet cable through the square cutout in the back and the power cord to the side. Locate the correct plugins for your cables by following the red arrows on screen. Once your cables are set up and you understand where they need to be connected, remember to unhook the securing arm before setting it down into the cradle. Connect your cables and click in the securing arm. You have now successfully set up your swivel stand for the Dejavoo Z8. For more videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel.